Most people don't get to talk about being a Silage Avalanche survivor.
What was that day like?
We had 2 young boys. My wife was pregnant, but we didn't know she was pregnant at the time. Went to a dairy doing things I routinely do and taking silage samples. And while I was taking the sample, it was like a piece of bread came off the entire face, about 8 to 12 inches in, just flecked off. And I had about 20 tons bury me. The feeder was there, pulled me out. I got up and I had a lot of back pain. I drove myself to the hospital. I called my wife to meet me at the hospital. It was at that point that was admitted. I had a broken back and a couple torn ligaments.